happy Vlogmas day 1. I know you're seeing this on day 2 or 3. I have some scheduled videos that I've pre-filmed going up, but today is December 1st. It's the first day of Vlogmas. I don't know, like, I'm very out of it today, and I realized it was December 1st and realized it was the first day of Vlogmas, but I forgot like the vlogging part. So it is 10:15 right now, and I'm just now starting the vlog. I was supposed to work today, but then they didn't need me to come in. I have been sick, so I understand. So she was like, just take the day. Today I'm probably just gonna be editing. I got up and showered because I thought I was going to work, and then like halfway through doing my makeup, she was like, don't worry about it. I was like, okay, I guess I'll just keep putting my makeup on. Got dressed, cleaned up my room. I'm washing the sheets. I've been editing. Yeah, it's the first day of Vlogmas. I have the tree. I'm loving it. Oh my god. So last night we lost power at like 4 o'clock. Dylan didn't even get to see the tree in all its glory. We lost power at like 4. Dylan got home and we were like, what are we gonna do for dinner? We don't have a generator. So I called my mom to see if she had power. She didn't have power. But then she ended up texting us saying she was getting food to go and that she'd drop it off for us. And we were like, oh my gosh, like you didn't have to do that, but thank you. They got power back. We ended up going over there to have dinner, and then we came back here and we were like, oh, we must have power by now, like everyone else does. No. We played chess by candlelight in the cold, in the dark. It was actually kind of fun. Luckily, I could still edit because the laptop was charged and you don't need internet for that. So I finished editing Vlogmas day 1, and then at around 9 o'clock, the power came back on. So yeah, that's what's been going on with me. I don't really know what today's gonna entail, but it's Vlogmas day 1. Gotta pay rent today. I can't believe it's December. It still feels like April. What is 2020 bad? My camera's about to die. I guess I'm gonna go charge that and keep editing. Welcome to Vlogmas. Okay, so if this is your first time watching Vlogmas, I'm vlogging every single day of December, which means there's gonna be some boring stuff like me making my bed, because that's just everyday life. Do you do fun, exciting things every day? No. So neither do I. I have been sick, so I really wanted to wash my sheets and like make my bed and feel clean again. We're making the bed, doing the laundry, and that's that. We can do a little OOTD. I just have on leggings from TJ Maxx. They're the 90-degree high-waisted black leggings. I have on a tank top that's from Amazon. I got like a pack of 4 for like, I want to say it was like 20 bucks. And I love these little tank tops. And then this sweatshirt I've had for a bit, but it's also from TJ Maxx or Marshalls. We're just having a cozy vibe. I'm just home today. I don't really know. I might go out shopping later, but I'm not sure. So just wanted to give you a little update. Back to editing. Hi guys, it's quite a few hours later. Honestly, like we said, this is real life. This is every day, and normally I'm stoked for Vlogmas day 1, but I just haven't been having the best day. And that's just me being honest. It's only Vlogmas day 1 and we're already here. No, I'm just kidding, but everyone has bad days. So if you're having a bad day, know that it's just a bad day, not a bad life. Because I've been sick and because of Thanksgiving, my days haven't been really scheduled. They've just been like whatever we're doing that day, and for me that really throws me off. And if I don't have a schedule, I just feel like really out of control, and like not like out of control, like I just feel like I am not in control. I just haven't been working, so my days have just been really scattered, and today's just been kind of like not the best day. I haven't filmed anything. I just ate lunch, and that's like really out of character for me. Oh well, I just had lunch and it's 3:30, but I'm gonna finish editing tomorrow's video. I need to finish tomorrow's video because it like stopped in the middle of us shopping, and then maybe Dylan and I will like watch a Christmas movie tonight or something, or maybe like play a game. We should do something fun for the vlog, but I have to think of like what we could do. It's Taco Tuesday. I can't believe it's Tuesday. It feels like the last 2 days have been Sunday because I haven't done anything. But I just want to come on here and explain that because not every day is gonna be decorating and shopping and fun and Christmas, even though I wish it was, because I love Christmas. Real life happens, things happen. If you're going through something, it's gonna be okay. But we're gonna get through it. It's not a bad life, it's just a bad day. If you ever need someone to talk to, feel free to DM me on Instagram. I'm more than happy to listen, even if you just need someone to listen. I know sometimes it's like you don't really want advice, you just want someone to listen to you. And I'm really bad about talking about my feelings, but I'm trying to get better. Hi guys, so I said I wanted to do something Christmassy and like exciting today, but Dylan is now not feeling well, so we will save that for another time. I wanted to come on here and do a little like holiday gift guide, what I'm asking for, what you could ask for, what you could get people, just like ideas for gifts, because I know it's always like, oh, what do I get this person? The people in your life that are those ones that, like, they have it all, like what do we get? I got a few ideas. So number one, obviously shop small, shop local. Small businesses need your help right now. There's so many online, there's so many people promoting stuff on Instagram of like different small businesses. I have like a mixed small business and things that you could get at like Target, just because I wanted to like do both. First up, I've seen these and I've always wanted to get one, but they have like these personalized like best friend, or you could do, I'm sure you could do more than just best friends, but like I've seen the best friend little personalized prints. I think this would be so cute if you got it and put it in a picture frame and then wrapped it up and gave it to your friend, maybe with a few other things like a candle. Oh no, you know what you should do? You should get it, frame it, and get like some pens and like a notepad and do like an office themed gift. That'd be really cute. First up is that I've seen them all over Etsy. There's so many different sellers that do them. You can personalize them, you can like change the hair, change the clothes. Some of them hold like margaritas or coffee. There's so many things on there. Just literally type in like friendship prints. So cute. The next thing I thought of that's local to us, but they also have an online store, is Stonewall Kitchen. Literally anything from Stonewall Kitchen. They have so many gift boxes right now. They have like pancake and syrup boxes, they have jams, they have literally anything for the kitchen. They have like glassware, they have it all. So go online to Stonewall Kitchen. They have like their 2020 holiday gift sets. So cute. Everyone loves them. Everyone loves something from Stonewall Kitchen. Go over, check it out, order it online. You can't go wrong. Okay, the next thing that's actually on my wish list is the Revlon blow dryer brush. I've been seeing this everywhere. I know it's not the Dyson, but like I don't have money for a Dyson right now, and I really want to try it, so it's on my Christmas list this year. It's like one of those ones where you just like take it, like you take your hair and like, not like that, but like it's like around, you'll see in the picture I post, and you just like blow dry your hair, and apparently it's a lot shorter of a time than actually blow drying it, and it like actually looks good instead of like, I know when I blow dry my hair it just gets poofy. I really want to try that out. That's on my Christmas list this year. If you don't know what to get someone and you know that they blow dry their hair, maybe do that. Okay, another Etsy idea, or you could really get them anywhere, cheese boards. But Etsy, you can personalize them. So if you know someone that's getting married, or for your parents, or for your boyfriend or husband's parents, or your girlfriend's parents, or your grandparents, personalized cheese boards. Everyone loves a cheese board. Everyone always needs a cheese board. Not even for cheese, it's just nice to have. That's a really cute and like personalized gift that you can get people. Or if you don't want to spend the money to get it personalized, you could get a cheese board literally anywhere. Maybe do it up with like spoons or like holiday dish towels. There's a gift right there. Perfect. Next thing I have is socks. I'm really in need of some socks this year, like just ankle socks to wear like every day, but also I know I like to give, and I know I've received fuzzy socks this time of year, or like the knit socks. Those are just like a great gift. People are gonna use them, people are gonna like them. Everyone loves a good Christmas sock. But that's something you could easily like throw in with other things. We'll throw it in with my next one, which is a robe or PJ sets. Who doesn't like a PJ or a robe? Cozy robe. I saw this one at Target that's on my Christmas list, and it looks like the Barefoot Dreams one, but also there's a bunch of different PJ sets on there. You could get PJ sets anywhere. I'm sure you could get PJ sets on Etsy. Probably also have like PJ sets at local shops, maybe a little bit more expensive, but that's also an option. Give them a PJ set with some fuzzy socks. Beautiful. If you really want to go all out, throw in a bath bomb, maybe some lotion. Little spa night, if you will. All right, another one that's on my Christmas list is wooden cooking utensils. This, an air fryer, and a printer are on my Christmas list, and you know you're an adult when that's what you're asking for. And literally anyone would probably like that. It's better for your pans, it's better for the environment. They come in like those little packages of like a bunch, and cute. All right, another thing that is also on my Christmas list is a Mad X 1-of-1 hoodie, sweatpants, crew neck. She has created this amazing business where she makes tie-dye sets and gives back to families that have been affected by COVID-19. I think it's incredible. It's a way to shop small, and I really want the tan tie-dye crew. So if anyone's watching and wants to get that for me. But I know that I also purchased some for someone I'm gifting. They just had a 20% off sale, so that's over now. Your money's going to a good cause, and it's helping COVID, and it's giving back to a small business. So check the link below. And then last but not least, I just want to give a few gift card ideas ideas because I always feel like weird giving gift cards because it's like, oh, I didn't try. Also, who doesn't like a good gift card? Because then you can like buy your own gift. A few places that I thought of were a local restaurant. That's always a good idea because we need to support local, and who doesn't like a good local restaurant? TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Home Goods, always a good idea. Target, Starbucks, Trader Joe's, any of those places, I feel like anyone would like that. But I really like the local restaurant idea. I feel like that's a good one because then like people could try a new local place if they haven't been, and you're giving money to a small business. The theme of this year, people. But that's everything that I came up with for my holiday gift guide this year. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Sorry it was a weird short thing, but please stick around. I promise they're not all gonna be like this. They're gonna be fun and exciting as well, but this is my everyday life, so I hope you guys can understand. Please subscribe down below. Follow me on Instagram at Mariah Nicole with 2 A's and 2 E's, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.